Hi lovely people, it's Nick here again from Unique Life Design. Today I'm fulfilling a request. I know that many of you, like us, like to decorate their gardens and their tropical spaces, even indoors, like our tropical coffee corner we got here, with some figurines, some animal figures that they quite love and enjoy seeing among the tropical plants, and it all adds to the good fun, it all adds to the feeling. So we are one of those people. As I've been preparing to make the video, I realized we have quite a few of them, too many I would say, but that's okay. Now I'll have a lot to show you, so let's give it a start. We'll start with our couple of parrots in love. We love them. I'm starting with our porch turned into a tropical coffee corner. So you will see with what we've got here. So yeah, the parrots are lovely. What else do we have? A little frog on a swing. It's adding to the, well, what can I say, positive vibe. So what is here? Marmoset monkey, another lovely one. We quite like for them to be realistic. Some of them are not, but most of them are, as you will see. So yeah, we try to find the most realistic option. So yeah, I quite like this one. Continuing with the gecko, climbing the wall, and then what we have here is a little lemur monkey, lovely one. What do we have here next to Brachydius? Let me take a closer look. Yep, it's a little sloth, resting as usual. Next up is a little koala between two baby yuccas, a baby koala. Then we have the chimpanzee next to Trachycarpus wagnerianus. You could almost say it is sitting on the trunk, or at least leaning on the trunk of Trachycarpus wagnerianus. Then we have the frog bird bath. Always working this guy. And what do we have next to the tree fern? Let's come closer. Let's see. A baby panda. I know it probably should have been next to the bamboos, but it just like the place when we put it here, and we just didn't have the heart to move it afterwards. I think something else is hiding down there, really well hidden behind all the leaves, and let me try and uncover it a bit. Just next to the small Eucherostrata. Ooh, so what is that then? Aha, baby gorilla. seems like a lot of small animals have found shelter in our garden, feeling quite at home. And then we have our parrot right here. Let me try and get a little closer. Yep. And here we have a little chick. And the succulent bed. We are reaching our pond, so let's see what we've got here. A good-natured golden eagle protecting the duck that likes to swim in the pond, and also I would say probably protecting the fishes from the fish-eating birds. I don't think it works, to be honest with you, but it has worked up to a point. Something else hiding next to the pond. It's a turtle. Yeah, I would assume some kind of a water turtle that would go in the pond at any time. So yeah, lovely one. Another golden eagle. Resting next to the Trachycarpus nova. It has suffered some damage, so it's only visible from his good side, but still good looking. Here we go next to a little parrot underneath the couple of butterflies. So yeah, let me show you closer. What do we have here in the side garden? It's another lizard above the tree fern, and a lot of noise, of course. And let me show you our next green parrot, overlooking the situation. The last one I wanted to show you is the resting gorilla, my personal favorite. He looks really cool, doesn't he? Even have a flower to enjoy next to him, maybe enjoy the scent. I was almost going to miss this beautiful bird here. I'm glad that I didn't. Having a drink of water and enjoying itself and adding some beauty. So that's it, guys. Thank you for having a look. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that you liked some of it. Maybe have an inspiration to do something. I've seen people doing all kinds of things to add a bit of flavor to their tropical gardens. I've seen dinosaurs, tigers, all sorts of things. We went for not very big ones, and less of a, how should I put it, predatory ones. So we kind of went for cute and small and sometimes funny, and that's what we liked. But people are different. Everybody can find their own piece of decoration to add. So again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.